right, guys, it's Jay here from the extension cord review. Last time we went over the end that goes into the wall and the end that you plug into. Now, you may notice that there is 5 plugs on this one. It gets really difficult at this point, so I'm going to try and go through it. If you need to go back and check again, just hit rewind and I'll try to talk a bit slower. So this one is called a power bar. It is a bar shape and it supplies power. I guess that's why they call it that. I don't want to get into specifics. It's a manufacturer thing. So you have 5 different receptacles to put your plug into. Never plug this one into here. You will not get power. It will not supply power to the power bar by plugging it into one of the receptacles. This one is an expensive one, but you can pick up a power bar at any hardware store. This one has a weird button thing that I don't know what it does, but I'll get into that later once I get more experience with this power bar. Again, guys, if you need any help or have any questions, make sure you message me. Welcome to Snap on Wednesday.
Who says it always rains here?
I know, it's a nice day out. We're getting lucky right now.
Welcome.
And how are you today, Tyler?
I'm fabulous. Yourself?
Good.
Busy,
Wow.
busy, huh?
Yeah, you can fit a lot of stuff into this frame now.
Wide
I
angle.
love the wide angle. Haha, iPhone 11 Pro. Yeah. So, what's going on?
New promo. Buy any of the items on sale. And you can get pumpkin carving kit.
Oh, hey, that's cool. I like that. Nothing but snap-on power tools.
Snap-on clue.
Oh.
Who took the tool? What tool did they take? And where did they hide it?
I love it.
No murders. And
It's
a
basically
chance
like
to
murdering.
win one of 2 Snap-on slot car sets.
Oh, hey, that's cool. That is super cool.
Who doesn't like a slot car set?
Oh, everybody in our trade.
Top of that, I have wrench set promo. You buy a set of wrenches, you get a 6-pack of aluminum cups.
Those are nice.
I'm guessing the target
with all
audience is probably beer pong players. And a bottle opener.
Oh, no, that's super cool.
Very serious bottle opener.
That thing is badass. Huh. That is super cool. I like that. Holy shit. Yeah, you can club somebody over the head with that thing. That is nice. That part number on that. There you go. You guys get your Snap-on dealers to get that.
I don't know if that's a good part.
No? I really like this. This is super cool.
No,
My wife's a huge pumpkin carver, so she loves that shit.
that's not a good part of it.
No?
No.
That's just a fake part number.
Well, OEX for our wrench line, right? All our wrenches are OEX wrenches. And then BTL 12
I like that. That's cool.
bottle opener.
Check that bottle opener out, man.
12 ounce. Oh, wow.
Not only will it open the bottle, it'll fucking break it.
What's this side for? Looks
Twist
like
offs.
Probably twist offs, yeah.
How much?
That's nice. I like it.
Isn't that cool?
How much?
Comes free with a set of wrenches. Oh, fuck.
Got a set of wrenches.
Well, no. Well, think of it this way.
You don't.
If you buy this, you get the set of wrenches for free.
Oh, I foxed it.
Did you fix it? Yeah. Cool.
I have no idea what
You
that
don't
diode
have
is.
all those wrench sets.
No, I don't.
So, there is opportunity.
Yes, there is.
I love that top, man.
You can also get 6-pack of aluminum cups. My son was already all over that because he's a big beer pong player. And then, just in, at least for those of us in Canada, just in, the long neck quarter drive.
Ooh. Oh, you got it. You got it on the truck. Oh, nice.
That's
Oh, that's 3/8. Do you own one of those, Vince?
No.
No. It's a fucking beast of a tool, man, and I love it.
Yeah, I know.
The 1/4 inch is super nice. That'd come in handy too, you know.
Drop the rubber. It's outside.
Slimline neck.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh, here.
Right number.
CTR 717. Are those on special right now?
Yeah.
Because they entered Canada.
How much?
Finally.
They're in the flyer. They're in October's flyer.
Oh, okay, yeah. I haven't even looked through the flyer yet.
Right, that's the page out of the flyer.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah. Goddamn Canadian prices.
$600, so $300 US.
Yeah. Yeah, double.
Yeah.
Stupid.
Did you get that piece of rubber?
I did, yep. I grabbed my rubber. Thanks.
Fuck. It was sure cold this morning. +1, or was it -1? I think at my house.
It said 0 at my house.
Yeah. Yeah. Fucking. I didn't scrape my windows. I just started my car like 5 minutes earlier and let it warm up. My wife, my wife. You know, we need a remote start now. I'm like, no, you can't get one for mine because it's manual. So.
Well, you can get one.
Well, I'm sure you can get one, not OEM though, and I'm not going fucking aftermarket
No.
because that's just bullshit.
Yeah, you gotta remember. You gotta remember. You leave them in neutral.
Yeah, exactly.
Remote start. There goes your car down the street.
Yeah. I remember when the remote starts were first starting to come out, and people were putting them in, like they were buying the automatic ones and putting them into their manuals, and that's what they were doing. They were fucking launching them through their walls and shit because they were overriding the neutral safety switch and stuff. go out in the morning, you start your car, and you fucking it meets you in the fucking kitchen.
You can't fix stupid.
Yeah.
Fucking hilarious.
Sorry.
These
All the
two
Halloween
lights,
promo stuff up.
these ones are a pure white light,
Yeah.
and this is called a true LED, so it's more yellow.
Oh yeah.
But the light is designed to intensify colors. So if you're looking at a wiring harness, the colors are more vibrant, whereas with a white LED, it tends to wash them out.
They almost seem like they would like hide.
Oh yeah, I know. They
Fold in.
they look
Yeah,
like
unfortunately.
they're designed to look that way, I guess. But yeah, those are nice lights though. Yeah.
High beam, low beam.
I'm gonna have
that's
a
why that's
frickin'-
why there's a double click.
Sorry.
Right orientation.
Yeah.
Hook me up.
Everyone needs a good light.
Thing
Can't-
is, I
you
do like
can't
the
have
bright
enough.
white though. I do like the bright white because I'm getting old and my vision is like impaired.
Not what it used to be.
Nope.
Well,
I don't know, yellow or should I get the white?
I think
Should I get one of each?
yeah,
Is that what you're
get,
gonna
one,
do?
get one of each there,
One
bud.
of each color.
I
I like how you think.
See, I like the white though. White light. I don't know.
Anyway, I think I'm gonna go back into the shop. Anyway.
Okay, I'm gonna grab the green.
Yeah, we'll see you guys back in the shop.
All right, guys, welcome back to Snap on Wednesday here in the shop. Well, you saw the truck stuff. You saw Jay's extension cord review intro. Yes. How can I not let him do it? So anyway, not much going on in the shop today. Actually, we're kind of slow, so that's a good thing. Enjoying the new wide-angle lens on the iPhone 11 Pro. I had to upgrade, so hopefully everyone's happy. Hopefully the levels are good and everything looks good. I know I've had a couple of complaints about the sound, something that I couldn't control at the time, and so thanks for bringing it to my attention. Hopefully it's fixed, and so let me know. Yeah, Halloween's coming up. I figured that I might grab a pumpkin or two, and I'll show you guys how to carve a pumpkin with nothing but Snap-on power tools. Hopefully that works out. Hopefully I can do that, get that done in time. Other than that, I got not much going on. I got to put some new tires on my car today, so yeah, I have time to do that right now. So that's pretty much all I got for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to comment, like, share, subscribe, and peace out, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.